Looking for the best toiletry bags for men and women? You're in the right place. After deep research and comparison, I've handpicked the best toiletry bags for men and women that combine style, function, and travel-friendly design. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next vacation, these are must-have travel essentials. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for honest travel gear reviews and expert tips. Check the description below for the latest prices and exclusive travel deals. Let's get started. Number 7. TUMI Alpha Brief Pack. Alpha Brief Pack isn't just a laptop backpack. It's a full-on mobile office and toiletry kit in one. Designed for modern professionals, it offers space for your 15-inch laptop, tablet, power bank, documents, and even your travel grooming gear. Inside, you'll find multiple compartments for seamless organization, including dedicated slots for tech and personal items. Padded, adjustable straps ensure comfortable carrying all day long. The black exterior is sleek, professional, and built with high-quality ballistic nylon to withstand daily use and travel stress. Whether you're heading to work or catching a flight, this pack adapts to your lifestyle. Measuring 17 inches high and weighing 3.3 pounds, it's compact enough for overhead bins but large enough for everything you need. The TUMI Alpha Brief Pack is a smart, stylish solution for anyone who needs to stay organized on the move without sacrificing elegance or efficiency. Number 6. Maruse Leather Travel Bag. The Maruse Leather Travel Bag is a handmade gem from Italy that delivers classic sophistication for men and women. Crafted from full-grain Italian leather, this navy blue toiletry kit is both stylish and incredibly functional. The dual-zippered compartments allow you to separate wet and dry items or organize your grooming tools however you like. Its smooth leather exterior feels luxurious, while the high-end stitching ensures long-term durability. Sized just over 10 inches wide, it fits well in any suitcase without taking up too much room. Whether you're carrying shaving accessories, cosmetics, or travel essentials, this bag handles it all. Perfect for daily use or long-haul trips, the Maruse bag is ideal for professionals, couples, or anyone who wants reliable quality. The deep navy tone complements any luggage set. If you're looking for a travel toiletry bag that's handmade, elegant, and built to last, the Maruse Leather Travel Bag stands out. Number 5. Time Resistance Leather Bag. The Time Resistance Leather Cosmetic Bag is the perfect combination of Italian craftsmanship and modern function. Made from genuine Italian leather, this blue Dopp kit offers timeless appeal and impressive durability. It's designed to protect your grooming tools and cosmetics with a water-resistant lining and multiple compartments for smart organization. The leather is soft to the touch, but tough enough for frequent travel. Compact at just over 10 inches long, it fits easily into luggage while providing enough room for all your essentials. Smooth zippers ensure easy access, while the classic design adds a pop of color and style. Whether you're packing for business or pleasure, this bag offers both practicality and elegance. Its structured shape means it won't collapse in your suitcase, and it's easy to clean between trips. The Time Resistance Leather Bag is a standout choice for anyone who values luxury and long-lasting performance. Number 4. Hanging Toiletry Bag. The PAHVRION Hanging Toiletry Bag blends rustic elegance with practical features for men and women alike. Made from genuine leather in a rich coffee tone, this travel organizer feels as premium as it looks. It's the perfect size to carry essentials like shampoo, razors, toothbrushes, and cosmetics. Inside, multiple compartments offer organized storage, while the hanging hook allows you to easily access everything without unpacking. Ideal for use in tight spaces, like hotel bathrooms or shared showers. The personalization option makes it a thoughtful wedding or groomsmen gift, and the bag's build quality means it will last for years. The leather ages beautifully, adding more character with each trip. Measuring nearly 12 inches in length, it offers ample space without feeling bulky. The PAHVRION Hanging Toiletry Bag is perfect for anyone seeking a combination of craftsmanship, utility, and a personal touch in their travel gear. Number 3. TUMI Alpha Hanging Kit. The TUMI Alpha Hanging Travel Kit is a smart, space-saving toiletry organizer made for frequent flyers. Its sleek black design and high-end nylon construction provide durability and style in one compact package. What sets it apart is the built-in hanging hook, perfect for tight bathroom spaces or hotel closets. Inside, multiple compartments and pockets help you store grooming items, cosmetics, and other small essentials with ease. The design is practical, making it simple to access your items quickly without digging through clutter. Its slim profile fits easily in any suitcase, and the durable materials resist spills and stains. The smooth zipper closures add a polished feel, while the sturdy hook ensures long-term reliability. Whether you're on a quick trip or extended travel, this hanging kit keeps everything neat and within reach. For those who want sleek design and smart functionality, the TUMI Alpha Hanging Kit delivers. Number 2. TUMI Alpha 3 Split Kit. The TUMI Alpha 3 Split Kit is built for travelers who demand luxury and performance. This compact yet spacious toiletry bag features multiple internal compartments to keep your essentials secure and easy to access. The exterior is sleek and professional in black, with an embossed leather handle that adds a sophisticated touch. Designed for both men and women, it's ideal for organizing shaving gear, skincare, or travel toiletries. Its durable nylon construction resists wear and tear, while the smooth glide zippers ensure easy opening every time. At just over half a pound, it's lightweight yet sturdy. It fits easily into carry-ons and checked bags alike. Whether you're jet-setting for business or heading out on a long weekend, this bag keeps you organized without taking up space. The TUMI Alpha 3 Split Kit is a reliable and stylish solution for anyone who values quality and convenience in their travel accessories. Number 1. ELIZO Leather Dopp Kit. The ELIZO Leather Dopp Kit is a premium choice for travelers who appreciate style and functionality. Made from full-grain antique leather, this bag combines elegance with rugged durability. It features a spacious main compartment and multiple smaller pockets to keep your toiletries, grooming items, and cosmetics organized. TSA-approved sizing ensures hassle-free airport checks. Ideal for both men and women, the design is unisex and timeless. The smooth, high-quality zippers and reinforced stitching reflect its expert craftsmanship. Measuring 11 by 6 inches, it's large enough to carry all essentials yet compact enough to fit in your luggage with ease. Whether you're heading to a business trip or a weekend getaway, this Dopp kit elevates your travel setup. The antique leather develops a unique patina over time, adding character with every journey. If you value premium materials and timeless design, the ELIZO Leather Dopp Kit is a must-have travel companion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with fellow travelers. You'll find all the featured products linked in the description, with updated prices and exclusive deals. Got a favorite travel gadget or any questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel safe and stay smart.